The Cooler Master NR2 Pro packs a powerhouse gaming rig into a compact shoebox-sized system that redefines professional computing. This little powerhouse is perfect for gamers, creators, and professionals who want top-tier performance without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. Imagine having all the power of a large gaming PC in an 18.25L form factor. It's mind-blowing. Let's dive into what makes this system so special. First off, let's talk about cooling. The NR200P Max case is designed to keep your components at the perfect temperature for maximum performance. This means you can overclock like crazy without worrying about overheating, which is a huge problem for most people. But how much of an impact does it have? With this system, you're talking 120 plus FPS on high plus settings in 1440p. That's insane for a compact system that's roughly the size of a large shoebox. You can play all your favorite games at silky smooth speeds without even breaking a sweat. And then there's memory. The NR2 Pro comes equipped with a massive 2TB Gen 4 M.2 SSD, which offers next-gen storage with a Gen 4x4 NVMe controller. This means you can load up your apps, photos, and media in seconds, not minutes. It's like having an entire library of information at your fingertips. But that's not all. The system also features 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 6000 MHz RGB RAM with a heatsink. This provides blazing speed and vibrant RGB lighting that'll make your system look like a work of art. Now, let's talk about storage options. The NR2 Pro comes with a glass panel or mesh panel option, so you can customize the look to fit your style. And with Type-C USB 3.2 Gen 2, you get fast charging and data transfer speeds. But what really sets this system apart is its port selection. You get 5 USB 3.2 ports, 1 HDMI port, 2 display ports, and HD audio/mic support. That's a lot of connectivity options for a compact system that's perfect for professionals who need to stay connected on the go. One of the things that really stood out about this system is its price point. With all these features packed into a compact package, it's an absolute steal at its current price. In short, if you're looking for a powerful gaming PC or professional computing solution that won't break the bank, look no further than the Cooler Master NR2 Pro.